In our previous tutorial, we learned how to do landing page animations. Today we'll be using the same Figma file, but we'll be doing the scroll animations. Let's check out how it works. So previously we used this landing page, and here we will be using the same landing page to have a scroll animation. So to start with that, first I'll be needing a scroll animation here. The scroll bar here. So let's keep the width maybe 10 pixels, the height we can keep 250 pixels, and the radius I'll be keeping 10. Fair enough. Now we have a scroll bar, but while scrolling we obviously need something underneath so that we can show something, right? So I have already created one small component here, which is just a heading and the description within CTA here. So I'll be using the same here. Let me align it to the center. Then in the first frame we'll be keeping everything outside of our frame, because we'll be showcasing the data which is underneath on scroll. Okay, let me copy the same frame and paste it. I have used Command C and Command V. For the Windows you can use Control C, Control V. Okay, so one more thing, as we were using the animations with the components here, when we are going to do the scroll animation, we want our variables to be on the default state, the visible state basically. So we can change all these things by clicking on this, and on the right side we just need to change the property. I'll be changing everything to their last property so everything is visible. So if we scroll from here to here, first of all we want our scroll bar to move down, let's assume this much, okay, and we want this thing to outside of our frame. So we'll just scroll it outside of our frame. This will be changing to maybe this shape, that will do the work, and this one will bring it up. Okay, let me reduce a little more. Here we go. So after that we just need to do the prototyping. How we'll be doing it? Click on the prototype, click on the scroll bar, and then it should be on drag. Whenever we are scrolling through the any website, we click and hold the scroll bar and then we move it underneath. Though most of us use mouse wheel, or we use just gesture from our touchpad to scroll the website, but in Figma there isn't any way to use the scroll animation. So here we'll be playing a little trick, so we can showcase it as if it's a scroll animation. That becomes very handy whenever we are showcasing our design to any upper management or the product management or the clients also. It helps a lot. Also it helps with the development phase also. So we just need to create the video, or we can just showcase the whole prototype to the developers so that they can understand how we'll be doing the scrolling animation. Otherwise it will be just a static website which won't be any good, or it won't be interactive either, right? So we'll be doing on drag. That is fine. Smart animate, let's keep it ease in, ease out. We can keep it like 2000 milliseconds, which is 2 seconds. Okay, let's play it now. Okay, so from now if I drag it, it does do the whole animation, right? It's quite easy. So but if you see, I scroll it up, it doesn't go up now. To do that we just need to animate this scroll bar back to the original one. On drag, smart animate 2000, that's fine. So I'll drag it back, it will go up, right? So here is one more challenge with the same technique. We cannot just drag it below and then drag it even below and then just expect it to drag up also. So we can just do the drag part for one side only. Either it could be bottom or top, right? So here is one more catch. I have made the whole animation with this landing page, which I have shown you earlier also, but I won't be doing the whole animation thing here in the video. Why? Because I want you guys to do the practice and see how it works for you. But definitely I'll be adding the whole file in the description. You can always go ahead and check, whenever you are stuck somewhere, you can use the same file to learn how it worked out and everything. Or in case if you still stuck somewhere, you can comment below. I'll be always there to reply. Or you can connect me on my Instagram, maybe here or here somewhere. You can connect me on my Instagram. You can directly DM me. I'll be replying you. I hope now you understand the basic concepts of Figma animations. It's quite easy. It's just you need a little practice with that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next one. Until then, keep creating.